Today I would like to show you how to fix or to show the problem of your Payoneer account. Yeah, your Payoneer account password has been expired. In this video, will help you to fix this problem. Right now, I would like to go to my Payoneer app that I have been installed. Let's go to Payoneer app together. Yeah, this is my Payoneer account. You see here, right? Your password has been expired. I will show you how to fix this problem or how to show this problem. Right now, I would like to go to the option create a new password here, right? Create a new password. Before creating a new password, so that you need to follow up the direction. This one is the direction. Password must contain one or more numbers, one or more English letters, 7 or more characters to create a strong password. Yeah. If you want to see your password or something that you enter in the box, so that let's click the option I here. Yeah. And then you enter something you can see, right? I just show you an example. Yeah. Yeah, this is an example. It is about your password, right? You need to go to the option here, confirm new password, and click the option I also, right? Then you need to enter the password that you have been created. Yeah, in the first box, the same password, H, K, and G. This is an example, right? But I don't show you my own password. I just clear all. Yeah, and then I will enter my own password. Everything has been ticked. I need to go to the option set password because I think that my own password has been strong enough. Yeah. Yeah, you see, right? No password set. Yeah, this is the email address that has been sent. Wow, very nice. Right now, let's go to the option OK. Yeah, this is my Payoneer account. I think that this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.